Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. We're your complete Toyota resource. I'm going to show you how we decided to give this 2022 4Runner TRD Off-Road a little lift. This is a super white 2022 4Runner TRD Off-Road. It has the XP Predator package on it as well. What we did was we added a lift kit, a lift level, a level lift. And it's 3-inch lift in the front, 2-inch lift in the back. We do this right here at the dealership. Let me show you what we did. Finished product with specs. We've got Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. These are LT 285 70R17. The car rides very smooth. It's really comfortable, so I think this would be an ideal on-road, off-road tire. And then under here we can see here's an overhead angle so you can see. And in the back, kind of tough to get up in there, but I wanted you to see what I was able to show. Thanks everyone for watching. If you're interested in this specific 4Runner or another of our cars, trucks, SUVs, new, used, or certified pre-owned, you can always check our website, FredAndersonToyota.com. You may be surprised with how much we have right now. And then also, you can email us at contact@FredAndersonToyota.com. Thanks so much. Please follow our social media at Instagram, Fred Anderson Toyota, Facebook, Fred Anderson Toyota, and to follow along with our YouTube library, please click subscribe, and if you want to, the notification bell. Thanks everybody so much. We'll see you next time.